Hello and welcome to the show. In today's video, we'll understand one of the most important networking topics in Kubernetes, that is Ingress and Gateway API. We'll keep it super simple. Let's dive in. What is Ingress? Ingress is a Kubernetes object that manages external access to service inside the cluster, typically over HTTP or HTTPS. Let's say I think it's a single traffic router, if you want to simplify it, that decide based on the URL which path or host name where the request should go. Simple, I mean a very simple diagram. If I want to draw, then it's a browser, then it's a Kubernetes Ingress, and then it's out to backend services to the pod. Okay. Here the browser sends the request to the Ingress, picked up, read the rule, and forward to the correct services. Suppose this is a .login / login, or this is a like mysite.com. Like, now what is Gateway API? Gateway API is the next generation, means the more powerful Ingress. Here this Ingress is broken up into two pieces for simplification purpose: gateway and HTTPS route. It may be HTTPS, TCP, UDP, TLS, more. Okay, and then backend service as well. So here many things which is not supported, we can pass through annotations and we can make it supported, but those things are completely means like if Nginx support that properties, it will be properly with Nginx. If you want to create another Ingress, and you have to remember what configuration settings you have placed in that annotation. So, and this thing is completely removed here. You can have gateway. First you have to create gateway, means and you have to define which controller you want to take, and from there it is means like a more declarative type of thing. Thank you so much. A little time left to create a video. We'll continue in next video. Thank you so much.